number of A's in English can be attested to students mastering how to write compositions. Today, we'll look at how to write a composition with proper samples and examples. Welcome to Study with Literature, and always remember to hit the subscribe button to get these awesome pieces. Before we look at a sample of a composition, we look at some of the skills that make a student have a composition that would give an A. First of all, from our chart here, we can see that a student who has an A communicates deep feelings and emotions, number one. Two, the student communicates enthusiasm. And number three, the student communicates maturity and in a mature manner. And in the long run, such a student gets an A. Two, such a student is fluent, attractive, original approach, and efficient in the way he or she writes his composition. Now, one of the skills of writing an excellent composition is to make the first paragraph catchy. Listen to this paragraph. The title is Write a Composition to explain the meaning of the proverb, look before you leap. Listen to the first paragraph. The midlife summer bus was gently drooling through the pothole-ridden Mathare roads. Heavy booms of country music pummeling on the stereo like it could burst them apart. The conductor's legs were hanging perilously from the bus door as he screamed, his voice hoarse. I was seated at the farthest seat, not intending to be disturbed by any passenger. When I looked through the window, I noticed that the sun had spread its annoying glimpse squarely over the horizon, threatening to smother any weak-hearted soul. This was going to be a long day. Listen to that introduction. It makes the composition catchy, so much such that the examiner would almost feel the presence of what the composition is about, the use of vivid description and, of course, vocabulary. These make the composition tantalizing, and the aspect of suspense. The student doesn't necessarily tell the whole story, gives the marker a glimpse of what is to come. Now, that is one of the things you can do to your composition to make them excellent. Give the marker a glimpse of the beauty of your writing, but do not necessarily spread the whole composition. Always capture just one moment. Now, if you look at our order here, a good composition has, number one, a very definite spark. Number two, the vocabulary. Number three, well-developed and ordered points. It also has many margin ticks, many merit ticks. It has a variety of sentences. And by the way,